This little thing called pressure gauge is one of the very important things in your pool. In my case, it's a above ground pool. It shows the pressure that your pump generates on your entire system. From time to time it gets either damaged or broken, or it stops showing the right measurements. It's important for you to know the right measurements, and it's important to change it from time to time. And because we have a new heat pump, I want to make sure that I have right measurements as well as for this pump. So today we're gonna just change it. First, what you want to do, turn off your heat pump if it's running. For me it doesn't run. And then switch off your pump. Now the second thing, close your pool. So put it in a closed position. Now you still want to turn off the water coming to your pump. So go there and I'll show you. And here you just shut off the water that goes to your pump. Like that in my case. Now there is no water running in the system. Just go unscrew your old pressure gauge. Note there is this old plumber's tape. Take the new one. Make sure that you buy the new one exact same measurements as the old one. It's exactly the same one. This is the old one. This is the new one. Second, you need this plumber's tape. Now roll it about 5-7 times clockwise. Like that. So it looks. Then put it on and screw it clockwise. So one little trick, don't put it flat, so horizontal, put it a little bit on angle. I like to put 45 degrees angles, and rainwater doesn't stay on it. So that's how it looks right now. What you want to do, put your pool onto the filtration, okay, and go turn the lever so the water flows to your pump. So we unblock the water flow. We allow it to go from the skimmer and from the bottom of the pool right to the pump. And now we turn on the pump. So it's pretty accurate now, and it's not stuck like the old one. And that's how you change the pressure gauge on your pool, on your filter.